Okay, let's find the slope and the intercept from a graph. So here we have two graphs. We're gonna find the slope and the intercept on this. So here we have, we can see here, that's very small graph, but this is the x, and you know this is the y, okay? So here's the 0, 0, here's the origin, 0, 0, 0 for x, 0 for y, and this number here is a -1. So to find the intercepts means the x-intercept and the y-intercept. So the x-intercept is x comma 0 and the y-intercept is 0 comma y. Okay, so this one 0 comma y, 0 comma y is 0 comma -1, 0 comma -1. So that's the y-intercept. And the x-intercept is this one here. If this is a 1, this is a 2, this one's 1.5. So 1.5 comma 0. So here we have the intercepts. Now the slope. Well, the slope we can remember is the variation in y over dx. So we can find it like this, counting the rise and the run. Or we can do some math, use some formula. So I'm just gonna count the rise and the run. So rise, 1 up, that means 1 over 1 and 0.5, so 1.5. Or if we want to do whole numbers, we can do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So I'm very sure it's here because it's 1.5. We multiply by 2, that will be 2 over 3. So the slope is 2 over 3 and the intercepts are 1.5 comma 0 and 0 comma -1. The slope is positive because the lines go up. If the lines go up, slope is positive. The second graph, the slope, it will be negative. So let's find again the intercepts. The intercept would be, so here is 1, very easy because it's 0, 2 comma 0. This is the x-intercept, 2 comma 0. And this one here is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 4 here in the y. This is the x, so 4, so 0, comma 4. So here we have the intercept. Now the slope. From here to here. 2 down, 1 right. So 2 down means -2 over 1, 1 right. That's it. Very easy, very simple. So the slope is -2. This is the slope, and those are the intercepts. This is how to find slope and intercepts from a graph.